Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn Fib time zone. This is another way of Fibonacci tool and we're gonna use them as rest of them. This is very useful. We will catch price movement and possible price movement with that tool. So, when we see, let me just choose first. We're gonna choose here. When we see one top and one bottom, we can set our Fibonacci time zone. Let me just check it because when it's far it's not easy to catch. Yes, so it's done. I made it well. So when we see Fib time zone, we need to know when there's a Fib time zone, price makes change their direction. See, when there is a drop, after this it may rise. When there's a rise, after this it may drop. It drops and after this it rises. It's not that long, but that's okay. As long as it gives some reaction, that's enough for us. So after this it rises and drop. Basically like that. We will use this with combining rest of Fibonacci or rest of indicator. It's all right because it will give us some estimate price. It may move in some certain time of period. That's why it's good. So when we use this, we can add a source as Fibonacci, Fib retracement. We can use it with taking our one low. I wanna take this part and one top. I will expand it like that. Yes, that's looks okay. When you make analyze with these two type of Fibonacci, you need to know price will use Fib retracement as a support and resistance. It will give some reaction over this number, and when it's hit the Fib time zone, it will make some kind of reversal movement. Reversal mean not like when you see on formation it's make opposite on straight level, but you got it. It makes basically opposite way. It's drop, when it hit it rise, like that. So when you combine it with two Fibonacci, you can get more confirmation, same as here. As you see, there's a drop down and price made some two bottom formation also, and as you see this Fib time zone middle of that formation. So also it used Fib channel as a support. When price make drop down, it rise and make drop down and rise again. So when these two Fibonacci intersect, we can wait some things over there. It will give high rate. It will happen with big odds, I can say. So as you see, it rise again, it drop down, but also there is another intersect. Price rise, but it couldn't succeed. It's dropped down from this Fib line, and in the same time, it's also hit the time zone, Fib time zone. And when you see that, and when you see the rejection over here, you can know that there will be strong movement. Yes, it's rising, but after when they intersect, it drop down, and also till where it drop down, till here. Now price use this level as a support and make zigzag movement inside of it. Also when you see there's also another intersect, price drop down, hit the time zone, and also it just break up of the fib line. As you see, it rise again. So when you combine them each other, you will get ensure. That's good confirmation. But I'm telling you always, when you wanna make some trade, you need to get confirmation as much as you can. So when you are making some trade over here, you can also add some kind of sauce top of it, and you can use some Bollinger. Let's say Bollinger. Okay. Yes. And let's focus that intersect area. As you see, price drop down and it makes some, rejection over support, and after it make breakup. Also there's a fib zone. Also Bollinger tape, Bollinger band telling us, yes, price dropped down so much, and as you see, it's pretty close. So basically, when you see them all, you can be sure about that price will rise and you can open long position. So let's come here. Here after drop it's happened, but as you can see there's have a VIX, but if I move that it will just change the shape. Anyway, at this you can see that the middle of Bollinger tape it's rejected, and also support and also it's dropped down from resistance. It's kind of rejected, I can say it. And after also you see time zone hit over there. There is have some intersects, and you can expect a drop basically like that. And there's another one, as you see, it's already break the Bollinger. It's just break up of the support zone, support fib zone, because it's used like a support. And after it dropped down, it used exactly like a support, and it just rise again. Also there's fib time zone as drop. When there's a time zone, you can know that it can change it and it rise again. So when you take all the confirmation as much as you can get success. Also I will make another indicators. Just I wanted to show you, because if you wanna look at right, you will see too many sign in market. I will add little MACD, and let me get closer. See, you got formation, Bollinger, Fibonacci, fib time zone, everything you got, but you still need one more sign from God or somewhere else, I don't know. You can open your MACD and you can see, same as here. As you know, when we learn about MACD, if there is have some intersect, if there is have some cross of this blue one, cross out of this yellow one, it will make rise. And as you see here, it make rise. Also this candle, we see them upstairs of this middle point line. That's also bullish sign. It's also give us another confirmation. Also another one here, as you see, cross out again this one, and again Bollinger give us some signal. Again fib time zone, Fibonacci as a support. So what are you waiting for? That's very good confirmation as well. When you combine them each other, you will see that price not goes up or price not goes down by chance. Price always use some logic, and our duty is catch the logic before it's reach that level. So that's it. We can use fib time zone when we are making trade. It's not gonna take your space, just combine with rest of formation. That's it.